Ever forgotten the Wi-Fi password you painstakingly typed into your Android phone? Today, we're cracking the code and revealing how to find those saved passwords. First, the easiest method: dive into your Android settings app, scroll down until you find connections, then tap on Wi-Fi to see a list of connected networks. Next, select the Wi-Fi network you want the password for. You should see a gear icon or the name of the network you are connected to. Tap on that, then look for a QR code option. This will usually be labeled as QR code, share, or Wi-Fi direct. Tap on it. Now, take a screenshot of this QR code. You'll need a QR code scanner app. Many Android phones have one built into the camera, or you can download one from the Play Store. Open your QR code scanner and scan the screenshot you took. After scanning, the information that appears should include the network name and the password. Finally, if you're tech-savvy and have root access on your device, you can use File Manager apps to find a file called WPA_supplicantconf, which stores Wi-Fi passwords. But be warned, rooting your device can void your warranty and expose you to security risks, so proceed with extreme caution. And that's it. Now you know a few different ways to find your saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Android phone. Subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.